Hello, I'm Mike with Views here in our San Jose warehouse. Today we're gonna talk about generators. Generators are very cool devices because they can let you power your entire house or any equipment without any energy. Let's say something happens to your house, there is some construction going on, any emergency, power is disconnected because of the fires or anything like that. Once you have a generator, you're not gonna be left without any electricity. So if you have any medical devices or you have fridges with lots of food that can evaporate. If you have generator, you can power for a certain amount of time your entire house or any equipment. And there are several types of generators. They're like gas powered, diesel, and it's basically generator is a device that powers a small turbine that spins and produces electricity. We have one here in our warehouse. This is one of the generators. Our installers, employees use this generator when we need to work in any installations where there is no electricity. In fact, yesterday we had a customer that completely had his power off because they were doing some construction on the electric line and cutting the wood trees. So they took out the electricity for 2 days. Obviously the customer didn't have any energy at all. Our team came to do the installation. We needed some power to charge the batteries for the drills and so on. And this is what we brought with us. So we were able to complete the installation on time and so on. And this customer was very curious and said, he said that I might get something like that too, because once we have an outage, it's a very cool device to use. You could use this one if you prefer to use gas or diesel, something on a budget and so on, unless you can obviously install solar panels, add batteries, and then you can do that too. But this is a good thing, alternative, and you can plug things into this one, or you can connect it to the house, so it would be a bit bigger. It depends all on the capacity. We do this every day. Many people interested in this, especially in the remote areas. For example, like the Woodside, the Portola Valley, like all those areas. Very good candidates for this kind of equipment. Any questions, please contact us. We'll send you an estimate, give you any information about this and help you install it and select the right product. Thank you.